Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Today's Friday, so we've got amazing Friday freebie. It's this page here. It's been designed from my lovely kit. It's called the Sweet Daisies. It's it's one of my largest kits. I don't think it's the largest. I think the Adventurous Traveler is the biggest kit, but this is one of the biggest kit. It's got 17 pages, and I have used this page here to create your freebie for today. So I have used the background and I put the little bumblebees on top. Okay, so let me show you the kit. Okay, so this huge large kit's got 17 pages, so it's a mixture of background, big gift boxes, etc, etc. So I'm just gonna quickly flip through. So for this week, this freebie will be half price as usual, guys. When I designed a freebie from a kit, the kit for the week will be half price. So I will put all the links down below. Look at that. This is probably my favorite page of the kit. I do like blue, pink and the daisies together. I think it works really well. I'm gonna do some project with this kit soon, because this is very spring, summery, very cute kit. I love this lilac. I don't know what color you see on camera, but it's a really nice pale lilac. Another background. So if you like daisies, this is the kit for you. And then I've got 2 pages here. When what I've done, I put the background and scaled them into A6. So you've got some cards background. So you've got 4 in there and 4 in here. These fabulous cards background. Then what else we got? Then we've got a gift box. So it's like a cube gift box. Some tags. I said to you, it's huge. And this one is a milk carton box. So when you do it up, it looks like this. So your 4 sides are your 4 squares. These 2 are the bases and the side pocket. There's 2 triangles here. Are basically those one where you simply pinch it close. You can glue it up or put a little peg as a closure. It's completely up to you. Then we got a pillow box with these fabulous daisies, and then some embellishments. So you got some labels, some butterflies, it's like a mason jar, and some tabs there, some balloons. Again, you can do anything you want. Some more tabs. And I made some little cute base for stamps, and you can just layer them on top. A little pocket here with an embellishment to go inside. And this is done so many tutorials on this. Some pockets, and then you just slide your ephemera and the 2 size pockets. So as usual, guys, where's the freebie? Where's the freebie gone? Oh, there it is. It's on my desk. So as usual, guys, on Friday, every Friday at 9 p.m. British time, I send out a newsletter, and I will put on the screen on your left hand side so you guys can see what it looks like. It's got some recap of the week. We got some kits of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code. Really nice, just like a little catch-up email, really. And also on the email there is attached the PDF. Okay, so you can just download it for absolutely free. And also these are available on my Facebook group. Now, if you're watching this video for the very first time and you don't know about myself, if you join my Facebook group, you'll be able to download this one and all the previous freebie that I shared for the last 2-3 years. There's over 100 or more than 100 freebies. So they're all listed in date order. So go and help yourself. Let me show you where. Okay, guys, so this is my Facebook group. So once you're in, you scroll down, so you see all the posts from the lovely crafters. So this is post from Wendy that made a folio using some of my papers. That's my post about the Easter kit. Again, there's loads of creators that Oh, this is Julia, that she recently joined my VIP membership. Thank you, Julia. Again, all other crafters, they share the video tutorials and of course all my freebie. Okay, so it's a very, very interactive platform. I really recommend, if you guys are on Facebook, to join us, because you get tons and tons of ideas. So where do you find your my freebie? So if you click on files there, you see all the freebies that I have shared in date order. Okay, so from the most recent to the most old ones, and there is about 3 years worth of freebies. So come and join us there, and what you do is simply click in there and then download. Okay, so join my newsletter, join my Facebook group, all the links down below, so you don't have to do anything going forward, because you will get the email every Friday, and then you just save the attachment and the hard job is done. Have a fabulous weekend, guys, whatever you do, and I will see you next Monday for another fabulous video. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really big, huge, fat thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube, because you tell the algorithm how much you love my freebie. Okay guys, I will put a link on a video just in a few minutes. So if you guys wish to carry on watching some more idea and inspiration, please feel free to do so. I will see you next week for another fabulous video, and until then, stay safe and well. Bye.